my sprinkles, many people don't understand the role of SEO in our video, which is the hashtag. If you put the right hashtag in your videos, you are giving that video a very big chance of going viral and pushing it to more audience. Yes, hashtag has a way of helping your video rank in SEO searches. When somebody search on a video, once you use the right correct hashtag, your video might likely come up. That's why it's advised to use the right hashtag, know the right hashtag, know the place to put your hashtag and how to use your hashtag. In this video, I will review the kind of hashtag you need and how to use them and where to put them. Okay, so just keep on watching to learn. My sprinkles, I will start by talking about the 3 rules of using hashtags. Okay, now the number 1 rule while using your hashtag or when using your hashtag is you should use at least one irrelevant hashtag. Do you know that some hashtags are irrelevant in your video? You just don't carry any hashtag you see on anybody's video and add to your video because you see them using it and the video has view. That video, it might work out for that person, or you don't even know if it's that hashtag that is making that person's video get such traction. You carry the same hashtag and add in your video. No, it's not wise. There are some hashtags that are irrelevant. You don't need those hashtags on your video. So even if you want to put any fancy hashtag, at least just put one hashtag like trendy, hashtag like viral. You just filmed a video about Alfredo sauce and the next thing you're putting hashtag viral. Will somebody go and search viral? No. Even if you want to use a hashtag that contains viral, you can say hashtag viral Alfredo sauce. You just incorporate other words to the viral. Don't let the viral stand alone. Okay, or if you want to use trendy, like trending, the word trending as a hashtag, you can use trending Alfredo sauce. Even if you film a video like how to remove background noise, do you need trending in it as a hashtag? No, you have to use hashtag that match the kind of video you just filmed. You filmed a cooking video, put hashtag of the recipe you used, the recipe on the video you used. If you made an Alfredo sauce, hash Alfredo 2024, hash a simple way to make an Alfredo sauce, easiest way to make Alfredo sauce, hashtag easiest way to make Alfredo sauce, hashtag simple way to make Alfredo sauce, hashtag 3 minutes Alfredo sauce, hashtag Alfredo sauce lover, hashtag Alfredo in Nigeria. Okay, you see the way I'm talking about this, actually, you see the way the hashtag is. It sounds better and it's SEO friendly. When somebody search it up, your video will likely show up as a top. Okay, most times your hashtag can or raise your video. Sometimes when you upload a good video, you'll be like, why is nobody watching it? You don't know it's all the unnecessary irrelevant hashtag you have added to the video that is killing that video. Just be careful on the type of hashtag you are adding to your video. Let's move on to our next point. My sprinkles, my number 2 rules for hashtag is stop putting 4-5 hashtag on your video title. Stop putting too many hashtag on your video title. There are other places you can spread out this hashtag to. You have your description box. You can put as many hashtags as you want. Okay, you can put it up, you can layer it up, and you can even put it at the bottom. There are too many space for you to do that there. The hashtag that should be on your title shouldn't be more than 2. I don't know what 4 hashtags are doing on your title. It doesn't make sense. It makes your title look rough, or you don't know what you're doing. It's giving you don't know what you're doing. Just put to a hashtag that relates to that video on it, just 1 or 2, you're good to go. Then you go to your description box and carry the titles that relate with your videos and put it in there. Okay, and secondly, apart from your description box, there's another place YouTube provide you can put your title in tags. you can also put as many as you want titles there, okay? And make sure you follow the first rule. The keyword you should know is searchable title. Searchable title. When your title is searchable, your video will have views, it will gain traction because people can find your video. When something is searchable, it means somebody can find it. So searchable is equals to video going viral. Searchable is equals to more views. Searchable is equals to lots of people finding your video, and searchable is equals to more audience, okay? So make your video title searchable. Don't put in too many hashtags on your video title. 1 or 2, you're good to go. Put in your relatable hashtag in your description box and in tag box, okay? Let's move on to the next and final third rule. My sprinkles, my third and final rule for hashtag is use relevant niche specific hashtags. What I mean by this is that it's like an opposite of when you're using irrelevant title. Use the niche specific. Like if your niche is a cooking niche or your niche is an educational niche, like just like mine. For example, my niche is an education niche. You will not find me using any hashtag like cooking or recipe or movie in my videos. No, because they are not my niche specific hashtag. Every niche has their own specific hashtag. When you to input your niche in the description box or in your title, when you type in hashtag and you try to input any niche, you will see other niche. For example, I try to input education or recipe or cooking, you will see the amount of other niches below that niche. You will see those niches with their views. You have to pick the ones that are related with your niche and that video. Mind you, always go for the hashtag that is longer. Those longer ones have a way to show up quicker than the short one. You also use the short hashtag, but use more of the longer hashtags, okay? And make sure you use those hashtags that are ranking high, the ones that have higher channel use. Make sure you use that so your channel will rank among those videos. And also make sure you use those ones that have lower channel use. Combine them in your videos or in your description box or in your tag box. The most important thing is to use a niche specific related hashtag, okay? Don't go and be using a hashtag that doesn't concern your video. Let's say your video is ranking low. Let's say your video is not having views. When you keep on doing this, very soon your video will go viral. Before you wake up one morning, that video would have picked up. And the problem is that you will not even know the specific hashtag that helped it go up. But if you check your YouTube studio, you will see the search terms that people use to find your video. That's why I said you should make your video title searchable, because when you have a searchable title, it will lead people to you. When you have a searchable hashtag, it will lead people to your video, because when people just input that search, your video will pop up. That is why you have to have a searchable title and a searchable hashtag. Use relevant one that will match your niche, so you don't have wrong audience coming to your channel and they will stop watching your video. If your niche is all about educational videos, you're always using cooking hashtags, you just have people that just want to learn about meals and recipe. But if they notice that your channel is not giving them that, they will not watch your video or they will unsubscribe, and you don't want that for your channel because it's going to kill it. So you put a searchable hashtag, searchable title that matches your video and matches your channel, okay? Now my sprinkles, these are my 3 hashtag rules that I use for every of my video that you can also use too. I don't think you can see this advice anywhere on YouTube, okay? Please implement what I'm saying. It's going to help you a lot because it's helping my video. In conclusion to what I've already said, I don't mean that only hashtag can do all the job. Hashtags need help. Yes, this is where other factors comes in. A good thumbnail. My tip for thumbnails is that don't have more than 4 to 5 words as a thumbnail. I don't know why your thumbnails has so many stories on it. Even if you're a vlogger, there's how you present your thumbnail. Your thumbnail shouldn't have more than 4 to 5 words on it summarizing what your video wants to be about, because if you have a catchy, attractive thumbnail, people will click. It will catch curiosity and people want to click to know what is going on in your video. But if your thumbnail don't have this juice, nobody wants to click on a boring thumbnail. Okay, also in the video I talked about having a searchable title, which is very, very important. I cannot emphasize it enough. Have a searchable title. It will help you a lot. If you want to see how people get to you, go to your YouTube studio. That's where you see the words, the terms that people use to search and they found that video. That is it. And the last we'll be talking about is always push out value packed content. People coming online in all platforms wants to get information, they want to be entertained or they want to learn something. And if you're just boring them, they won't want to watch your video, especially when they're not learning anything. So if you want somebody to spend their 20 minutes, spend 30 minutes of their time watching your video, let them have a good reason why they want to stay that long to watch your video. Why can't they move to another video? You have to make their time worth it because they want to learn something. Make your video short and precise, heading straight to the point. People click. What they see as on your thumbnail or on your title should be what they are watching, is what they want to learn, is what they want to see. Don't write A and let them be watching B. That's just a clickbait and nobody wants to watch clickbait. You will lose audience. Okay, now this is the end of the video, my sprinkles. If you have any comments or any question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll always reply. I enjoy talking to you guys and interacting with you all. And if you have not subscribed at this point, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button, turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video. It helps the channel to push the content to more viewers. And also share my videos, tell your friends about my channel and watch my videos so it can get to other people and the algorithm will push this content to more people and more people will learn. Okay, the more the merrier. And don't forget to stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.